Hi, Nicole here. In today's video, I'm really excited about because I don't see a lot of video content or brand imagery talking about creatives, makers, artists. And what I do see is a lot of rented studios, light, bright, airy, perfect lighting, beautifully curated rented spaces. And when you capture brand photography for creatives, artists, and makers, that's not normally the scenario. And although that is great for real estate agents, bloggers, and coaches, creatives are a different side of the industry. And if you're looking for different niches within brand photography that might speak to you more, this video is for you. All right, so if this is your first time visiting the channel, welcome. I am Nicole. I've been a professional photographer for over 12 years. I've been providing video for my brand clients for 5 years, and I also love brand strategy. So I serve creative business owners, and that's what we're going to be talking about today. Okay, so I wanted to touch on some pros and cons with this industry, just in case you're researching or are interested. And the first pro is that you are going on location to their specific studio, shop, workshop, where they create. And we always hear about creating authentic images and building brand awareness and generating more business and capturing images in someone's space when they're surrounded by what they do. You automatically have created images that are specific to them that will have them stand out in their industry. So that's already a home run. I love working with creatives because of this, because you get into their process and you get into all their materials and tools, and there's just an abundance of content that you can capture for them because they are always in it and making their items, and they're not always able to pull back and capture really what they do, and that's our job. So another pro is that you have all the materials for the shoot, all the props, let's say, there. You don't have to purchase or remove things to another space. Everything is there and it's authentic to them, so that's already a great pro as well. A con is that many times, and it doesn't matter what industry I find, people don't particularly like to be photographed. And with creatives, I find that also true. But since they are going to be in their process for the process and action images, that is when they calm down and enjoy the process, and you're capturing what they do. They're just focused on what they're doing, and it makes it so much easier to get them comfortable because that is our number one goal. They want to be comfortable because that is going to translate into better images. Okay, so another con, which may scare people, I find it as a challenge, a creative challenge, and I love it, is that you're not going to be in ideal lighting situations. Talking about the first scenario, when you're in a studio or a rented space, you have control of lighting, and they're going to be beautifully curated and lots of natural light. That's amazing. But when you're working in a basement, a workshop with all fluorescent lighting, in a space that is super tight, you have to really pull out all your creative energies, and you have to be the expert in lighting and composition to get the shots that they need. Now, with that, many creatives may not think their space is photo shoot worthy or photo shoot ready. And again, they need to lean on you as the expert because your photographic eye is going to be able to see the space in a totally different way. And that's your job. So whether you do an on-site visit or you get pictures from them or maybe a video walkthrough nowadays, you can get to see the space and the potential. And then you can provide guidance on maybe one area that you're going to shoot in, and you can say what needs to be organized or maybe cleared off because that's going to be where the majority of the shoot is going to happen. Okay, so this is just a tip of the iceberg on brand photography for creatives and makers and artists. But if you love this video, please let me know. Let me know if you have any questions as well, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.